Hello， 而家5點鐘，我而家喺銅鑼灣去邊呢？就係去呢個好悅色啊！我哋 Let's go！ 呢個呢簡直係上天嘅安排，而家5點幾，因為我今日出咗去做嘢，咁所以我有時間去買銀。Let's go！ 好，而家呢我就要帶咗我啲 toilet paper 去買嘢。Go！
So this is bad money here. It's called the US dollar. I call it toilet paper today. And this is good money here. This is silver and this is gold.
就係呢個牌坊啦，跟住我哋又係直行入去 Let's go！ 哇，幾耐冇嚟過啊！真係，我諗都有成個月咯喎。哇，好多人啊！我應該有機會嘅，我應該有機會嘅。俾上年。今日係1月12號啊，咁好悅色嘅回收金價係42,000蚊，跟住金粒回收價係42,200蚊啦。然後咧，佢嘅銀嘅回收價係775蚊一兩，然後咧賣出價係820蚊一兩，即係我而家買一兩嘅話係820蚊。OK， 你睇下佢收幾多靚嘢 ！Oh my god！ 你發現自己周圍都買唔到呢？嗱，可以嚟呢度試下碰下運氣。正所謂可遇不可求，咁都俾我遇到3個，咁所以我就俾錢啦。咁今日呢，就係買緊820蚊一兩銀價，俾錢。終於買到啦，咁就總共係1704蚊。好啦，中意條片嘅朋友記得俾 like 同訂閱，多謝，拜拜。